Okay, here is some more outdoor flooring, outdoor tables and chairs and sofas. This is very interesting. How about that? That looks really cool. I bet it's comfortable too. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Ah, it is very comfortable, but whew, hard to get up if you're a little overweight like I am. I guess I should have rolled off to the side. So there we go. Company to contact. And let's get a card. All right, so Pyrotech NC, soundproofing, and I'm assuming fireproofing. Silent floors, stuff for padding underneath floors. Direct timber. Okay, Chimera. And let's get, lihai. Okay, so he's giving me a demonstration of soundproofing. Very good. 再放一下。哇，厉害厉害。所以这个就是放在地板上面吗？还是在都可以啊？ So for flooring, that's very impressive. OK， 这个你们是哪里的公司呢？
母公司是美国的。
母公司是美国的。OK, Wave Bar. So， 在哪里生产的？
国内这边工厂在安徽。
在安徽。So an American brand, manufactured in 安徽。不错不错不错，很好。OK， 谢谢。 That was super cool. That soundproofing was awesome. I don't know. It said it was an American brand. Could have been just registered there. Could have been something else. But it's hard to say. But it is made in China regardless. And so it's made in Anhui. Very, very cool. You heard it for yourself, how well it worked. Hey, man, I'm telling you, worth giving them a shout out. Okay, we are in Hall 3, wall decoration, total furnishings. This company is doing some very modern style designs. Let's walk through here and see what they've got going on. Let's take a card and let's check it out. So, for those of you that are interested in very modern looking designs, I don't think it's going to get any more modern than this. Pretty trippy, sort of a 60s throwback on some of these. Okay. They've got some sort of neoclassical design on the Chinese traditional furniture. Oh my God, that's very heavy. Okay, very cool, very heavy piece of furniture. Very sweet. Not sure what's going on with the walls. If that's something they want in the room. Okay, so all types of different furnishings. I guess it's supposed to be. Yeah, okay, there you go. Okay. Okay. Very cool. You're looking for some furnishings? Give them a shout out. Jewel.net, okay. See what he. Oh wow! Soundbox. Wow. Okay, 很厉害。Very good. 所以这个是在哪里用的？
广州。
是广州做的，但是这不是
我们厂家在广州。
厂家在广州，然后这是放在哪儿？是利用在
这个产品是它的一个模拟一个酒吧的结构做的一个隔音，
一个隔音
效果。
啊，所以你在卖隔音效果，不是在卖这个产品呢？
不是在卖产品，我们是做的声学材料，包括隔音门，然后墙体的一些隔音材料。
Okay, I got it. Okay, so basically what they do is they manufacture soundproof doors and wall materials and stuff like that. And you can see they've got another one over here. 谢谢你啊，我拿个名片吧。你给我个名片吧。Very cool. Okay, 谢谢你了啊。All right, so fantastic. 现在还在上吗？Just checking. 我手工这时代，生活天才的上海。我手工这时代。Once he locks it, you can't hear it. All right, 相当不错。So pipeline insulation, that's what I needed in my home when I first started, when I bought it 10 years ago. I was like, where can I buy something like that? They didn't have it at the time, but they do now. Okay, so they're doing an example of the difference of when you have your pipes wrapped versus non-wrapped. So noise cancellation product and technologies. Noise cancellation products. Okay, different stuff. All right, very, very cool. I imagine they use some of this for karaoke and stuff too. Here we go. This is very cool. You can have some sort of booth with soundproofing and stuff. I'd have to ask them to turn it on, but that's okay. Very, very cool. That one says 82 decibels over there. The one that I was next to must have been, at least 120. It was so much louder compared to that. That was very awesome. All right, there you go. Bringing you all the coolest things that I can possibly find. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps us out. We are entirely supported by donations, and we are this is Y-Box, we are a new channel, and of course, this is something that I do because she's pointing me somewhere I like to, and I think it's important, and I do it whether you contribute or not. Here we go. Okay, here's another one. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Okay. It's quite loud. Very cool. I don't know if it's as good as the other one, but that shit is.
我说原来你会说普通话的。
我会的。All right, very loud. Y-Box. Okay, 谢谢你了. So there you are, soundproof doorings and stuff. Another company to call. All right, what is this? What is this? Let's go in here and find out. Okay, so here we are. This is like a little pod. So you've got facial recognition to get in. You've got a self-contained shower unit. You have a little bedroom type of deal. And you've got an upstairs. I'm gonna go upstairs so that I can got an air conditioning system in there. Oh, she's coming down. And let's go take a look upstairs. All right, so here we are, hall 2, on the top of this pretty funky looking pod. You can see it's got the all-weather flooring. It's got a little lounge chair. I would definitely have a higher railing though. All right, very interesting. Let's find out more about it. Okay, I'm gonna go down. Oh, That's it. You gotta wait for those coming down. All right.
3D 打印的。
Okay, I just overheard her say that it was 3D printed, but let me find out. Okay, it says so right here. Yeah, 3D inshallah. So it's 3D printed. It's from Hunan Intelligent Technology. Let's find out more about it.
啊，我们可以建，自己可以建。
So I guess these are some of the 3D printed products that they make. And so 3D printed hotel pod. I mean, very, very cool. Let's get some pricing on it. 哎，你好，这个是3D 印出来的吗？
这个外形我们是用那个3D 打印出来，打印完了之后我们去开模，开模再用玻璃钢去做，就是翻模。
Okay,
you know?
so they made the outside with 3D printed, and then they made a mold with fiberglass and filled it. 这个是为了放在酒店里面，酒店用的吗？还是
对，做民宿。
做民宿？
对。
OK，大概需要多长时间才可以做出来？
做一个这样的是吧？
对。
因为现在我们已经做了很多了，所以的话，像做这样一个大概是，一个周期应该是在40天到50天左右吧。
40天。
对，40天到50天的左右。
So 40 to 50 days to make one， 大概多少钱呢？
这个总共造价是26万。
多少？26万。
26万。
So that's 260,000 RMB. Yeah, so that's about so 260,000, I guess about $30,000. Okay. 谢谢你了。
参观一下，看看我们3D 打印。
这个是这是那个3D。
对。
Oh, okay. This is the 3D printing machine. Oh, let me come onto this side. Okay. Oh, there we go. Look at that. 所以你就是用这个才做那个外观吗？
不是，这个是我们是用来做翻模，就是开模处理的。
开模处理，对。那个模呢？
那个是我们直接是用玻璃钢，
这是用玻璃钢，是 fiberglass。
做成模型，之后，就是我们再用那种玻璃钢去。
那你做成模型的话呢？像这么大的模型怎么做呢？
这个模型我们可以对接。
Okay, they piece it together, so they use it.
先我们可以用那个电脑里面建模，建模完了之后我们切割，然后分给几台，我们那有10几台打印机。
Okay, 明白。
对，打印完了之后，我们做拼接。
I see. Yeah, they can do it in sections and put it together, and they can do some things directly out of 3D printing and some things with molds. Okay, 谢谢你啊。Okay, thank you. Very cool. Very cool. All right, so they are specialists in decorative glass. Let's get a name card. And let's have a look inside. All right, so this is their glass products. GDG, okay. So for those of you involved in or interested in glass, this is a company to talk to. Very interesting. Hello, 你好. Okay. So lots of different glass samples, as you can see, all the way down to here, glass tiling. Okay. Okay, just going to give some sort of honorable mentions. I'm not going to try to start acrylic surfaces. Look them up. This is this KD, Kuding. Pre-finished wood surfaces, revolutionizing global design industry. All right, I see there's quite a few people in here. Let's take a look. Again, we saw a lot of this stuff last week, so I won't spend too much time on it. For those of you that missed it, you're interested in flooring, then I suggest, and our wall tiling, you can see ceiling tiles in this video. I suggest you look at my Domatex show video to see what's available. Very cool. Very slick design. Okay. Yep, very, very interesting. All right, so there you have it. That's what these folks do. Let's get a card. It is a nice product. KD. Okay, we are here at Blackstone, Tristone. They are doing kitchen countertops and cabinetry. 这是上海一家公司吗？
对呀，上海的。
Okay, 相当不错. Okay, this is a Shanghai company. Shout out to Shanghai. And let's take a look. Okay, so lots of different stuff, very interesting. Now, 你的这个材料是进口的还是国内的还是都有的？
韩国的。
是全部是从韩国进来的吗？
韩国推的是
韩国的 Okay, trust that. I see. So this is a Korean product. Okay, so some very interesting wall material, sort of like felt tiles. Very hard though. Certainly not. Look at this. This is also like a felt tile. Very cool. I think it's won a Red Dot Award, Design Award. Good Design Award, okay. Very, very cool. Again, it's all this sort of felt material. 哎，你好。这个中文叫什么？这个布料
polyester acoustical panel.
Polyester acoustical panel, okay. 这个主要是放在什么地方呢？
办公室，电影院。
So for movie theaters, for office buildings, okay. 非常不错。这个是1平方怎么卖啊？
Where come from?
US?
USA. Okay. We sell the just flat panel without
Yeah.
further processing, without the cut. The raw material is $10 per square meter.
$10 per square meter. And what about for something like the design tile up there, which is really beautiful?
It's a new concept for this show, especially.
Okay.
The price is not available now.
Is not announced yet. Okay, so what about this? This is new concept also. What about?
This one is we sold it by piece. It's about,
So one piece.
$20 per piece.
And how many makes a square meter? 4? Just about?
Just one. A half
One and a-
meter. A half meter is 500 millimeter length. 500 millimeter.
So this is half a meter?
Yeah.
So this is 1 meter too.
Yeah.
So 4 is
4 piece.
yes, 1 平方. So $20 a piece. So $80 a square meter.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Very beautiful products.
So,
Excellent.
Leave now?
Very nice. And this is
It's ancient Chinese character.
yes, and it's for office buildings, not for hotels.
Yeah. Main our product is used for office buildings.
Office
But,
buildings, okay.
But we are trying to open new market and expand our market share in
Excellent, excellent.
hotel.
And how thick are these tiles? How thick are they?
Mostly we fix it by glue.
Okay, you fix by glue, but how
What is
thick
it?
is it?
Thick
Yeah.
is 9 millimeter.
9
We
millimeters
also
thick
have 12 millimeter.
and 12 millimeters. So something like this. How many millimeters is this? How thick is that?
Thick is this one also 9 millimeter.
9 millimeters. Okay, and so all of these are pretty much 9 millimeters, huh?
We press the 9 millimeter panel by hot pressing. Then this thick will be less. This one is just 5 millimeter.
5 millimeter. Okay, very, very nice product. And where's your product made? 在哪里做的？
Suzhou.
Suzhou? Okay,
Very close
okay.
to Shanghai.
And beautiful. Let me get a business card. So you have it right here. So, okay, you can see the thickness for yourself.
My name card.
Okay, your name card. All right, so I did not get the ceiling panels, but they also have ceiling panels, as you can see. Okay, thought I would just highlight this company as well. This is some metalworks, very cool. I guess that is what they specialize in. Looks cool, very light, interesting. Okay, took their card, really interesting. Tile and glass. Italy. Okay, give them a shout out. Class A fire resistant. All right, so we are just walking, still only in hall 3, and there's 14 more halls to go. How about that? 14 more halls to go. Obviously, I'll have to come back tomorrow early morning. Tomorrow is the last day of the show, and try and catch some of the halls. Okay. Okay, this is the second company. This is called Lightweight Stone that I've come across that's making this sort of paneling. Very cool. Oh, so light. You can see that I'm lifting it. Incredibly light. Very sweet. Okay, very cool. Let's get a business card. Very nice product. Okay, there you go. You can see it on the wall there as well, and there. All right, now let's go check out this group. Look at these grand office hallway entrances. Okay, we're just entering hall 4. Hall 4 is engineering design, fitness and leisure. Upon, okay. Let's take a look. And let's go this way. SGSCEANSI, Intertech, TUV, they've got it all. What do they make? Green building new materials. Okay. All right. Yeah. Very interesting. Okay. Give them a shout out. They've got all the certs, so can't go wrong with it. It's PVC. We saw a lot of that. Okay. Very good. And let's take a look at the next group. Looking for something standoutish and interesting. And as soon as I come upon it, I'll let you know. Just so you go. So these are more for decorative grates. Okay, very cool. Again, you can start your own decorative grate company. Excellent looking product. Very tired, no doubt. Working hard at the show. Very sweet. Okay, there it is, decorative grates. There's their phone number. Give them a call. Okay. What have we got here? What is this all about? Let's check this out. All right, so this is for nomadic resort, nomadic living. They have manufactured these pods, different types of pods for nomadic living. I'll have to find out a bit more about where they are in the development of this. Okay, here we go. I didn't have it in focus. So this is for nomadic living. These are pods meant to blend discreetly with the environment. These are, I guess, future samples. Resist storms up to 125K at 75 miles per hour, recyclable fabric. Okay. So, bean bags, hammocks, campfire, complete bohemian experience. And you can see in this photo here, convert from chilled out seating area to romantic bedroom where couples can float together. Okay, and you can see examples someplace. There's a bunch of them. I'm not sure where this is. All right, let's get some information on them. All right, this is gym equipment made by Matrix. So some running machines, some stair rowing. Okay, all made by Matrix. So let's get their card. Any of those of you interested in their equipment, I suggest you call them. They seem to make very high quality equipment. Okay. Matrix Cardio, smart and beautiful. Let's get a card. I see, okay, so Precor, everybody knows Precor. Let me find out where they're making Precor, because it's all made here. Okay.哎，你好，你们工厂在哪里啊？
美国西雅图。
是全是进口的吗
Yeah.
Okay, 100% imported. So, all right, Seattle. 谢谢你啊。Okay, very nice. So, Precor, thought it might be made here. It is 100% imported if you want to buy Precor. Made in Seattle. All right, here we go, because I haven't covered any This is called PAD. These are obviously your hotel lobby doors, revolving doors coming in and out. So for those of you that are interested in a quality door, you have it. Okay. You can see the glass, the light. Okay. Let's get some information. Hey, 你好，有名片吗？就那个名片，不需要一个书。Okay, how about this? Here we go. We've got another sort of pod living. It's a Shanghai company. Let's take a look inside. Great for beach areas, dual pod. It's quite, you've got a keypad entry. And you can see if I can get in here. Okay, you've got a little seating area. You have a sink area there with a water heater on the wall. You've got your bath and shower unit in one. Okay. And air conditioning system. You have skylight that you can close and open the shade. And okay, very cool. Again, you have another, and you got your light systems and doors. Okay, I see. And let's get a card.
1天，然后如果是这个的话需要2天，如果是吊装版，现场分装的话，可能这个在5天，这个在7天，大的在5天。
哎，你好，这个在什么价位呢？
我们这个现在是22.8万。
22.8万，22.8万. So that's 228,000 renminbi. which is about $40,000. 这个的话呢，需要多长时间生产呢？
我们如果工期的话，在30天提前预定。
So 30 days， 30天就可以搞定了吗？
装的话是2天。
Okay, 2 days to install, 30 days to manufacture. 这个你们有没有做过出口吗？
我们出口现在在谈的是一个菲律宾的项目。
Okay, they're talking about a project in the Philippines. 那这个的话，关于风，关于什么台风那样之类的，这个玻璃安全不安全吗？还是？
它是 PC， 它不是玻璃，
是 PC， 对，
会比玻璃更加不容易爆裂。
是。So the glass, I mean, what looks like glass is actually PC, so it's great for high wind usage areas. 那么我想一想，那这个平方米里边的话呢，多少平方米？
套内是26个平方。
So 26 square meters. 可以做更大还是更小吗？
有一个更小的版本。
有一个更小的 ，They have a smaller unit as well. 那是多大的平方呢？
它是占地是15个平方，使用面积是12个平方。
So it takes up 15 square meters. Inside is 12 square meters. 这是最大的版本吗？
对，这是最大的。
Okay, and this is the biggest. Okay, 在哪里生产的？
我们在无锡生产。
在无锡生产。
公司在上海。
公司在上海。Okay, manufactured in Wuxi companies in Shanghai. 谢谢你啊 ，Thank you. All right. 我拿了一个名片了，谢谢啊。Okay, very cool. So here's some photos in terms of getting a better idea. Look, on a cliff setting, so forth and so on. Okay. And obviously it would have all the connections for sewage and water and whatever else you may need. All right, so we're in Hall 5, Lighting and Intelligent Control Systems. And here we go. Okay, they're all up against the wall over here. So, Red Dot winner 2021. It's a magnetic clip-on to change the light, that covering. Just pops right off. Okay, we won't get into the weeds on this, but you've seen it. Awesome looking company. We'll get their card and move on. Let's see. Oh, this is Opal. Okay, everybody knows Opal. 有名片吗? Okay, Opal's a really big company. So, really nothing to say there. They're tops in the game. Can't go wrong with them. This is NVC. Let's get a card from NVC. This is another well-known lighting company. And lighting fixtures. Room lighting. Okay, bed lighting. Under bed floor lighting, very cool all the way around the bed. Okay. Into the bathroom, very sweet. Okay, moving on. And let's move on to that. Okay, commercial household engineering lighting. Let's take a look. That's pretty interesting. Okay. Oh, sweet. How about that, huh? And your dual fixtures, really smooth to position them how you want. Okay, and much larger lighting. Okay. And we have more fixtures and lighting over here. This is very sweet. Look at that. And here is your transformer. Okay. And let's see. They've got a briefcase plugged in. I guess you can, there's no one here to use it, but oh, look at that. Okay. 哎，你好，你好。就在看一下，不错，不错，产品相当不错。Okay, you can see the lighting there. Fantastic. 有名片吗？
没名片了，名片已经
发光了吗？You can see this. 赤道灯，对的。这个是多少瓦数呢？
这个是18瓦。
18瓦啊，是18 watt。20 watt. Okay.
这个12瓦。
Sure, that one's 12 watts. 这个大概在什么价位呢？
现在价位还没出来。
还没出来吗？
新品，我们出车的还没上去到。
那你说这个是新在哪儿呢？怎么算新品呢？
全部是刚刚开模具，刚刚开发出来。我们设计师刚刚开发。
所以这个模具就是这一款的，不是这一款。
就是这一块，就是这一块。
So this is all new casing design. 这个也是你们生产的吗？
对，这个也是我们。
So everything is designed by them. 总灯 ，OK, fantastic. 太好了，谢谢你了。The Zhongshan LED Lighting Industry Association. So again, lights for days here. How cool is that? Pretty interesting, yeah? Okay, more lights. Very interesting. Hello, 哎，你好，谢谢你了啊。Okay, 太好了。All right, so this is their business card, Zhongshan Rinheng. Okay, we got that. 谢谢你啊。Excellent. And these are very cool. It's little hanging lights. I don't know if they're coming out or not. Very cool. Okay, let's go on to the next one. And here we go. Let's take a look at this group. It says more like mood setting lights. How about that? That's cool. Should just open that up. Sweet, look at that. So directional lighting basically by folding it however you want. Yeah. Okay, very cool. And it just opens and collapses. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, they call it the Eclipse. Let's take a business card. Calmly, okay, we know who they are. They have got, I think there's a number of different candle type of lighting. Probably, that's sweet. Okay. Oh, you see, just tap on it and turns on and off. Okay. And they're all portable. As you can see, the lights are all portable. And the different pricing, 203 renminbi, 186 renminbi. Okay. Excellent. So, really interesting lights. I love this. This gives you the effect of, look at that, the effect of a old lantern style. And if you can see while I'm turning, you can see at the base, the light, you've got sort of like a night light effect at the base. And then as you increase the candle light type, it goes up, and that's pretty awesome. And there it is, both of them lit. That's very cool. 你好，这个是什么价位呢？
这个原价是469，
469
是打85折，然后399。
So it's on sale for $388 here at the show. Very cool. Okay. 谢谢你了啊. Okay, excellent. They're selling some lights, and maybe I'll come back and pick one up. All right, moving on. Le Grand. Everybody knows Le Grand, so I'm not going to spend time there. Here we are. So these are hotel lighting systems, different switches, curtain on, off, open, close type of thing, brass colored strips. Very, very cool. So I'm assuming this is going to, well, it's controlling some light. I haven't figured out where it's coming from. Okay, I probably cut something off and I wasn't supposed to. All right, so they make, all of these sorts of, how about that? I guess, oh, that's for your room number. And yeah, your room number and your do not disturb and clean up the room sign. Very cool, 5th generation switch solutions. This拿下来干嘛？
它老动啊。
不是，你盖住它就不会动了。
就拿下来是。
Oh yeah, it's magnetic. It's very 哇，所以这个什么意思？你就可以带到床上吗？到另外一个房间吗？
可以去到任何一个地方，房间的任何一个角落。这个可以上，这个可以贴在墙上。
Okay, so you can just you stick this on the wall, and then you can carry this to whatever room you need to, and turn on your lights and turn them off. And again, you can see it's very magnetic, and it's Bluetooth and RF433. Very, very cool. 你有名片吗？ So 我需要名片，就拿个名片吧。对。So yeah, give this company a shout out. Okay, 谢谢你了啊。Okay. They have it all. Just that's some sort of speaker outlet. So they've got the whole room layout for controlling total living space. And that's my phone, so I'm gonna take that call. All right, so we are here at another company with more lighting and fixtures and sort of okay, let's get a name card. 有名片吗？胜利浦 okay. Juchi instead of Gucci, Juchi. I don't know if you can see that down there. She's gonna do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's got a built-in dimmer.
Yes.
And you can change brighter, yeah.
And then this is change the CCT.
Okay, so you're changing the
Cool to warm and
from
bright.
cool to warm to bright, yeah. Very interesting. Okay, and that's the controller switch.
Dolly dimming.
大力什么？
Dolly dimming.
大力 dimming.
调光 yeah.
大力调光. Okay, 大力调光. Okay, 非常感谢. All right, thank you very much. Very interesting. So this is Senlipu, and they have that very interesting dimming system from cool to warm lighting to dimming. Okay. So again, I think we're just going to do a quick walkthrough here. I've got so many hauls that I have not been able to make. We'll just highlight some of these companies. You guys can look them up yourself. Okay, ChinaBulong.com. Tens. Standard motorized curtain track system. Okay, we saw some of that at the during the Domatech show, so we won't look into that. They have a another lighting company. Of course, switches, different kinds of switches. Very cool looking dials. You can see the numbers changing. So they have it all. Little button knob, yeah, let's feel that, okay. Very cool feeling. And of course, for your hotel doors, well, outside of the door, at least to identify your room number. Good looking stuff here. Nice booth, good looking product. Okay. And Sunwill is the name of the company. Let's walk into this. What is this? What is this? Looks like very cool. Okay. Looks like they manufacture transformers of sorts. Waterproof. IP68 power supply. 5-year warranty. How about that? Waterproof, eh? All right, let's get their information. So we can learn more about it if you're interested. Look them up yourself or give me a call. Noiseless, full power, 100% aging test, good performance in extreme environments. Okay, you got it. On to the next. Guangshi lighting, okay.